Hi folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error code 800-90016, then let's look at the options. Now the first one is we have to download the support and recovery assistant. So we look for support and recovery assistant, we Google it, and we click download on this button, Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. Now that file will be downloaded as a zip file. You unzip it and you set it up. Once that is done, you open the application and you look for Office and Office apps. Press it, next, and you tick this option. I have installed a subscription version of Office, but I can't activate it. You press next. And below, is this the affected machine? You click on the option yes. Click next. And this will ask you to log into your Office account, and that should solve the problem. Now, another option would be is to delink all your accounts linked to the system. So how would you do that? You right click on start, look for settings, you go to accounts. In accounts, you look for access, work or school. And if there are any other accounts linked to your system, then you disconnect them. If this doesn't work, another option would be to reset TPM. Now how you do that is you press the Windows button and the R key, and in the run window, you type tpm.msc. You click OK. You press clear TPM and you restart the machine. Now this will clear the trusted platform management on your local computer. It's basically a security key. It will clear that and restart your computer, and this should solve the problem. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to our channel. Please enjoy your day.